Hello everyone, my name is Jibin from MBA Business Analytics. Today we're going to talk about computer and IT in business. So today we'll start with the computer hardware, and let's begin with the basics. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer. This includes majorly input device, output device and the storage devices. And in input device like the mouse, the keyboard, microphone and the scanner we can see. And this helps us to give us commands to the computer which gives the perfect input for the asked outputs. And output device such as monitors, printers and speakers, this shows the results and we can see it physically, and we can see all the results over it. And storage devices like hard disk, SSDs and CDs, pen drives, and this stores business data such as files, customer reports and reports. And after all this, we have the heart of the CPUs and the processing unit, often called the brain of the computer, and this is majorly the most important part of the computer. And the CPU consists of three major products, which are ALU, control unit and cache. ALU will handle all calculation and logics. Control unit direct how moves what tasks are done, and registers this memory that holds data temporarily during the processing. Cache, a fast memory that stores frequently used data to speed things up. And together these parts help the computer think, decide and execute the task, which is the foundation of the business operation. And next as the topic we can talk about is what is computer software. So computer software, the invisible part which helps the computer to work and determines the speed of the computer. And this is mainly main types such as operating system, application software and utility software. So if you talk about operation software, like all the Windows or the Linux or the ISS that manage the video software, is the main software, which is and there are three different other parts which can also be called application software, like MS Word, Excel, Zoom, or all the other applications that comes as the application software or the apps we talk about for the Windows and the software. And utility software such as antivirus, file programs, all the basic and default programs given to it without the apps. This keeps the system secure, efficient. Without software, hardware is just a box. Software things it will be. So we think software is the soul of the hardware, we can say. And the software is majorly the most important part of the hardware of the computer. So last topic we're going to talk about how IT helps in business. So as of IT, information technology, it is the consistence of the knowledge of the data storage management, easy and secure. It improves communication through emails, chats and videos. It automates tasks like billing, payroll, investing, saving time and reducing errors. It adds security, protecting, and most importantly, IT drives innovation, helping business grow and stay competitive. So this is how we talk about the three majorly questions we were asked. And now I want to sum up with the computer and IT helps business work faster, smarter and safer. This improves everything from daily operation to decision making. In today's digital world, whether it's a small startup or a large company, IT is the key success to this world. And this is quite very successfully going on. And today I'm going to conclude. Thank you. This is Jivin. Hello everyone, this is the part 2. I'm going to talk about the computer boot process as shown in the flowchart. We begin with the start computer boot. This is triggered when you press the power button on your computer. The first step of the power and self button test on the post. This is like quick health check or the computer hardware. We check the CPU, memory, storage and other essential components to make sure they are functionally proper. So next, the computer asks post successful. So if the answer is no, it means there's a problem with the hardware. In that case, the computer will display an error. Sometimes the beeps or messages that hold the process and you need the message is fixed. If the answer is yes, the system moves from the load to the bootloader. And the bootloader is a small program that knows how to start the main operating system. This is the bridge between the hardware and the OS. Once the bootloader has done its job, the kernel is initialized. The kernel is the core part of the operating system. It manages memory, process and hardware communication. After the kernel is ready, the system begins to start the essential service. This includes background programs, and the process allows the system to function such as networking, file management and security. The next step is to load the user interface. This is what you actually see and interact with. Example. For example, the Windows desktop, Mac OS Finder or a Linux graphically interface. So finally we reach to the system ready, meaning your computer is now fully operational and ready for your use. So in summary, power on, post check if okay, load bootloader, initialize the kernel, start device, load interface, and ready to go. And that's how the computer wakes up and gets ready to action for just few seconds. So this is me from Jibin from BBA Business Analyst. Thank you.